Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a logo for your Instagram page. First, clearly define your brand's personality and who you want to reach. Next, look at competitor logos for inspiration, but aim for something distinct. Always prioritize a simple, memorable design that truly represents your content. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful and impactful visual identity, helping you stand out. Now, let's talk about key design elements. Select a color palette that evokes the right emotions and helps your brand stand out. Choose one or two legible fonts that complement your brand style, perhaps a sans serif for modern or a serif for classic. Most importantly, ensure your logo is scalable, looking great whether it's a tiny profile picture or a large banner. When it comes to creating your logo, you have several excellent tools available. For beginners, free online logo makers like Canva or Adobe Express offer user-friendly templates and quick results. If you need more control, professional graphic design software such as Adobe Illustrator provides advanced customization. Don't be afraid to experiment with various layouts and icons to discover the best visual representation for your brand. Finally, let's optimize your logo for Instagram. Export it in a high-resolution square format, ideally 1000 by 1000 pixels, to maintain clarity. Crucially, ensure your logo remains clearly visible and recognizable even when it appears as a tiny profile picture. Remember to consistently use this new logo across all your social media platforms for strong, unified branding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.